Hey guys, just a quick little video here to get you started on installing the SNAP feature so that you can use the SNAP assessments in our class. I've just opened up the little card that came with my textbook, and I'm going to just go to the website provided there, which is help.snap2016.com. And on this page, I want you to, you can watch the video here for the Snap installation if you'd like. Um, that will help you. The one that's video getting started does not look exactly like our class because it's assuming that you are standing outside of the Canvas platform at Western. So I do want you to watch the video Snap 2016 installation, and then where you get the file to install is right below here where it says Snap Evergreen App. The Evergreen App is just the name of the program behind Snap. It's what installs on your machine so that you can do the checking available through the program. It's a very small little download. You'll need to install it on your personal computer if that's the one you're going to use for homework. And if you're working in a public setting like in the computer lab at the college or at an outreach center, you'll need to probably ask permission to install this. And if you need me to talk to someone, just let me know. It's a very simple little thing. Alright, so I'm going to kind of go through the steps here myself. So I'm going to download the executable file. That comes down here to the bottom left hand side of the screen, and then you're going to open, and I've already installed it on this machine, so my steps won't look exactly like yours do, but your video should show you. Hang on, here's the next step. So you're going to click through here, next, install, as the video showed you. Again, I already have it installed, so I don't want to do it again on this machine. Let me know if I can help you.